Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove sensitive content on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and select Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content You See. Now you can disable the button that reads Display media that may contain sensitive content. Next, tap on Search Settings. Enable the button that reads Hide Sensitive Content. And that's it. Now all the sensitive content on your Twitter account is hidden. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.